You're a little sleepy this morning. Good morning, Colton. Hi. What is it? 3 weeks tomorrow. And we're holding our head up really well. We're having some little gas, which is hurting our tummy and making us cry. I'm eating 5 ounces a sitting every 2 hours probably.